pissed off right now. I just had to stop at Advanced Auto Parts to grab some cleaning materials. I'm in KFC, right? Bruce says I'm gonna handle washing the car. No big deal. I'm ordering and I look through the window. The man is tangled up, about to die, with 3 cords and power washers going everywhere. 4 cords! I don't even understand how that happens. I ask him, what the hell are you doing? It's been fun traveling with him 10% of the time. The other 90% is a liability. He's up early in the morning, he's drinking coffee, he's doing his thing. He hiked 2 trails this morning before we even woke up. We're gonna finish up with the car, go downtown Lynchburg, take some quick pictures. We'll root for him. We'll root for him. Really not that cool.
What do you mean, dude?
The car's really not that cool. It's just a Tahoe with the bull bar.
I just like it because of how clean it is and like, whatever, dude, screw it. This is so clean.
Alright guys, so today is the next big day. We are leaving Lynchburg, Virginia. We just packed the truck up and we are gonna go drive to, we have Ultra 4 and then we have a rental of, sorry, the GoPro died. So yeah, today is a big day. We have a 7-hour travel trip to, first stop is Roanoke to go quickly pick up Preston. Preston is one of the filmers and editors for the RTR team. He does a lot of the content that you guys see for Chauncey, Von Gittin Jr. and all those guys. We have a fully packed truck today. We do have 7 hours, so we're gonna be doing some editing along the way. When we get there, I think we're gonna probably attempt to scout some things out for tomorrow because we have qualifying for 2 days. Let's go ahead and start the journey. Mac, how do you feel right now, dude? Tommed out.
Tommed out, ready to roll.
What a good job you've done in here, man. Mac's gonna keep worrying about how things are packed and we will never be able to leave. Dude,
when you take a corner at 60 miles an hour.
That doesn't happen.
Yeah, okay. Yeah, it's happened like every time, every corner we've taken.
Now you're just being anal. Get in the f***ing car. All right, we're gonna drive safe today, safely. We're the police. All right, cool. I'm actually gonna put this down in this gap.
Yeah, there's like 4 or 5 hard bills in there.
I have my desktop.
Oh, really?
Yeah, I brought the desktop.
You don't travel light.
Definitely not.
You should definitely order a Dick Slurpee. Yeah, what do you guys have your, that's not a McFlurry, it's, what is it, Dick Slurpee? Do it. If you don't do it, I swear. What flavor? Is there a hurricane in there?
He's a mouth breather.
Severe mouth breather.
Yeah, I mean, I still can't hear you at all. I'm just trusting you on this one. Can I do a cookie dough Dick's?
That was a cookie dough blizzard?
Yes, please.
For execution.
Couldn't pull through.
That's it, thanks. Couple of Dick Slurpees.
For execution.
Nice.
Big bad guy. How's the yogurt?
Good.
Where are we going?
Adventure Off-Road Park, first time.
AOP. Gonna be good. Real nice.
Just past the Nitto flag, so I know we're getting close. It says 3 minutes.
We're registering.
Signing our lives away.
Yeah, for fun. Signing our lives away. Shred. Sick.
How good is this?
We just ripped the trails with Loren Healy, dude. Shredding the RZR, you know?
So,
I think I was hard the entire time. Like I had to hold it, tuck it. I had to tuck it like a...
Did you know it was game time once we saw this rig?
Dude, of course. I've been around this all my life, you know? I just want to chug a Monster. Actually, I want to frumble a Monster Energy right now.
What does frumble mean?
Bang it against your head.
So shotgunning's out of style these days.
No, you've got to frumble it.
Frumble, all
If
right.
you're a real fun haver, you frumble.
I heard fun having.
There you go.
We shred, we fun, and we have.
Oh, we fun.
All freaking weekend, baby.
Yeah.
I can't believe this is happening. He's trying on Bruce's wig.
Dude, that's
He's gonna be pissed, dude.
Need to confess. Need to confess. Need to confess. Need to confess.
How'd you like that so far?
Yeah, I gotta put a cage on this bad boy.
This
Almost
bad Larry.
lost it on the rock.
But at the same time, I'm not like I don't feel it at all.
This is definitely the place to be right now.
It's just reeks of natty light.
So we just got out to one of the lookout spots on the actual race course for tomorrow. They're not going to swing by here for qualifying, so there's no clips to get today. But tomorrow, this whole area is going to be crazy. And I think there's probably going to be like a 60-second gap between the people, as obviously the skill level varies between each driver. Yeah, we're just really amped up for tomorrow to see people actually start pushing it. And yeah, we're going to enjoy the night. We have a couple quick runs later tonight with Loren. But after that, holy hell, what is this thing?
Diamondback rattle caterpillar.
Dude, what is that?
It's probably poisonous. Let me touch it.
Do it, dude. Freaking touch it, bro.
No, I'm not gonna touch it. It's definitely a centipede or something. Millipede.
Dude, rattlesnake, rattlesnake. Dude. Dude, that motherfucker made it up here.
It smells like the inside of a pig's intestine.
All right, guys, so we just finished up the first day of Ultra 4 qualifying. First day filming any type of off-road hill climb race, and it was real. Probably some of my favorite clips that I've ever gotten, not gonna lie, which is the light bars.
Really?
And, dude, 100%.
It's a bold move.
It's a bold statement, but I have confidence backing that statement. The thing I like about the hill climbs is every one is different. You know, every person takes a different line. With drifting, I feel like it's the same thing, just different wrap on the car almost. No offense, drifters. Mac, how'd you like it today?
It's good.
Should we get Bruce out? Bruce has way more energy than Mac.
Yeah.
We're just back at the hotel, just kicking it. He
He's
went
in-
home early.
He's in the pool?
He got all his hero shots done before 10 a.m.
Okay. Yeah, we're gonna head to the hotel, shower, do our thing, edit, and then we'll be back out here tomorrow.
Good?
Yep.
All right, cool.
Yeah, just talking to him.
What a wild racing day here in Tennessee at the Ultra 4, I don't even know the name of the race. Bronco inspired Ultra 4 truck did amazing. Everything held up great other than some self-inflicted stuff. So looking forward to getting to the next race. Definitely excited to be racing again, and can't wait to get to the next race for sure.
That's not good. Yeah.